Hello everyone, this is Prasad from Pune. I am in teaching profession for last 20 years and into stock market investing for the last 10 years. 2 years back I wanted to gain some knowledge of technical analysis because I wanted a shift to trading. But then there were books and material available on internet regarding technical analysis. It was humongous. The second thing, I don't know how I can cope up with all those indicators and strategies discussed on YouTube or internet. Basically, I was apprehensive about the starting point of my trading journey and the skill set which is to be mastered for successful trading. At that juncture, I came across an answer written by Mr. Bhushan Kanathe on Quora platform. That particular answer intrigued me and I went to KRMG YouTube channel. From KRMG YouTube channel, I made some inquiries and then enrolled for the course offered by KR Market Gurukul. 3 months back, I have completed that course. During the course, both Bhushanji and Gauravji taught us price action in detail. They have split that particular subject of price action into some discrete units, and they pay attention that every student gains mastery over the basic trinity of price action, and that is space, structure and volume. In order to get mastery, they advise us to go through hundreds of charts of different stocks in different time frames, and this particular process of going through the charts drilled into the students helps the student in actual trading. Not just teaching these concepts, they helped us in actual trading also. Many a times during trading, we failed some doubts, and those doubts are cleared periodically, maybe on daily basis also, in KRMG Telegram channel. Both Bhushanji, Gauravji and many seniors from KRMG family help us to clear our doubts. After completing their trading course, I have opted for options course also. My preparations about option trading are going on. So have I mastered the trading? No, definitely it is an ongoing process. But during trading, as I am coming across different problems and I felt different doubts. Those doubts are definitely cleared by Bhushanji, Gauravji and all the seniors from KRMG family. Their constant encouragement to improve my trading is a big help. Right now, through this platform, I want to thank Bhushanji, Gauravji and all the seniors from KRMG family for helping me in understanding the price action which will lead for successful trading. If anybody is searching for good course on price action, I would definitely recommend the name of KRMG. And here they are not just related with the student for particular duration of that course, but the relationship between the student and Bhushanji and Gauravji goes beyond that. They are acting as mentor, and that relationship is lifelong. As I'm going through that particular process, I can definitely vouch for. Again, I'm thanking Bhushanji, Gauravji and all the seniors from our KRMG family.